Hello everybody, welcome to TJ Creations yet again. And today I have another creature from the future's wild I made. The spitfire bird. These birds are native to tropical Antarctica, and they are often hunted by falcon flies. And this is the falcon fly compared to the spitfire bird. The falcon fly is much larger, but the spitfire bird, has an advantage. It spits acid from its nose, its tubular nose, similar to a bombardier beetle, except it's in its nose. See, it's like enlarged. As right here, it spit like a hot acid on the falcon fly or any sort of predator. And they can run out of this acid because they digest it. They don't want to digest the acid. They digest a flower they can get into their nose or something like that. I don't know. I can't really explain it. You have to watch the video or the movie to know what I'm talking about. But the spitfire bird is pretty cool. The one I made. He can flap his wings. Hang on, he's little. He can flap his wings about that much up. That far down. And those are his resting wings. I also got another pair of wings right here for him. If you can take these off. This one is being a pain. My wings! Now you can make it look like he is flying. And now we got the spitfire bird flying. Yeah. Spitfire birds are crazy in the future as well. They're just a crazy looking bird. I decided to make it. So, what do you guys think of my spitfire bird? Is it cool? If so, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you think this guy's cool. If you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Me, a bird.